Hey y'all, so I'm down here washing dishes off grid. This how we have to wash dishes. Make a bucket of soapy water right here, and then we make a bucket with just clean water from the gallon right here, and this is where I rinse, and then I dry right here.
Off-grid living. Don't think you're ready for it.
Oh, I'm ready.
Not you. The people watching. You just got to come out and step out on faith.
Clean up.
Easy peasy.
Dry. No. Just so y'all know, I did use way too much soap, but you know, coming from the city, you just don't know. So. I know now.
You live and you learn.
Right.
My mama left me that cup, huh?
Right, I was just about to say that. Buffalo Bills cup with the Pepsi on it. Love us some Pepsi.
I miss you, Mom. But you're always here with us. And that's the crazy part. Still here to this day. That's crazy. So how does it feel on your own property doing these dishes in the sun?
Yeah, right. It feels great, actually.
That's what's up.
All in the sun, sunbeaming.
That sun do feel good.
Right. I'll see. I do need to get up a little earlier than 9 a.m. I need to get up at like when the sun first rises.
What?
Out here.
Why is that?
Cause when it get dark, it's dark.
Oh,
we
yeah.
don't have no street lights. We don't have no street lights. We have these solar lights that, you know, that I put around the property. They the little lights, you know, but they're not the big solar lights that can be on the poles, you know. I have to order those. Hey y'all, so my honey got me some more lights for our pathway. And I'm about to see what they do. I need to take them off the box, number one, but I need to charge them, so therefore I can put them around the path light. They come with instructions. And they're pretty light. Now, I wouldn't put these on the driveway because they're so little. I would just put these on the pathway. But you all will see. Once it get dark, I'll come back and show you all. So you all see how I got this one? I had to take it from here. Pull this up. Turn around, put it in here. I know most of y'all like Lady, we already know how to do this. But you know, some people might not. So you just stick it on in there. And then you just put it in the ground. Only got one hand, so it's kind of tough to get in. But yeah, and then you just stick the light in here. Also gotta pull that little tab out. You know, read your instructions. You got it. Once it get dark, I'll come back and show you all. Alright. We'll see y'all when it get dark.
4.3 acres. Under the sun. Can't see it. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Proud of you as well.
That sun will do it. We're getting 300 watts of solar right now.
Word.
Yep, so this is our Opus Mega 3 that's running. You can see we're using 120, using 120 watts, bringing in about 300. So things are working out just fine. We stay with some power.
Right.
We ain't been without power yet, huh?
No, we haven't. And we got those battery operated lights in the house too.
That shit is awesome.
Right.
Shout out to you for saving the day when it come to lighting up the RV. Real talk.
Oh yeah, that's my organizing video. So y'all can go and check that out once it's posted.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. It's crazy. She is right by a chala. Quite literally, that motherfucker is 3 feet away from her.
I don't even know what that is.
It's one of the most dangerous plants on the planet.
That one right there?
Indeed. That's called a chala. Although our neighbor was calling it a choya. I don't speak Mexican, so that's a chala. All right, I'm coming. But my mother was a Buffalo Bills fanatic. She ain't like football, but she loved them Buffalo Bills. Look good.
That's why you my husband.
He?
Our neighbor.
Oh shit. Yeah, the neighbor came down talking about some girl. You could do better than this guy. I said, I totally agree. But she stuck with me. Stuck like a needle out of goddamn cacti. Yeah, I gotta clear this shit, man. I gotta clear this land. But like I was saying that in my video, how I put in the permit, put in the application for the permit and gotta wait 30 days. So it'll be a while before we can get to all of that, but.
If y'all wanna see that video, go check out Been Chasing My Dreams. Chasing without the G.
Yeah.
I-N.
Yeah, been chasing with no G, my dreams. I ain't even peep all of your purple on here. Freedom Express, huh? From Amherst to Freedom.
Right.
Where you dumping it?
Right on those trees. It's a dead cactus right there. Yep, that's why I'm dumping it. And then on that dangerous tree, you said.
That is a super dangerous tree. I wouldn't even fuck with it.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
that one dead, so I figure it needs some water. That's why I poured it there.
some soapy water, huh? Hey, water is water.
It's dying anyway. It's not like I'm killing it. You know
No,
what I'm saying?
you ain't. That's true.
That's what I thought about when I did it.
And what is that? I know what it is, but do the people know? What is this?
This go on your pot so you can drain the water. See, it won't get the soap off. It needs to be done. Yeah, I gotta rinse that again. But yeah, you put these, clamp these bad boys on your pot, and then this will protect your food from coming out, and it'll drain all of the water from your rice, your pasta, stuff like that.
So a strainer.
Right, exactly.
As long as that motherfucker don't explode. Nah. Only if I try to pick it up out of the ground.
Now all of a sudden.
And it's clean. But yeah, these are for RV living, basically. Had them on 2 apartments before we moved out here. Yeah, I just sat on them.
It was like we was getting ready and
didn't even know it. Ain't that crazy? Because we knew we was buying some property. Right. We just thought that it would be a house in the city. Right. That's what I thought at least. And then
we lived downstairs, rent out the upstairs.
Right.
Something like that.
Right. And here we are.
And we just got tired of people.
Shit, I've been tired of people. And the neighbor come riding his bike down, wanting to talk to us. I talk to him. You know, I'm what do you call it? Yeah, I'm neighborly, but he was pretty cool. Neighbor came up, he was pretty cool. He's basically telling us, you know, when we do clear the land, that we shouldn't clear everything. We should just find us a place to put our house and our RV and a driveway for the truck and create a path and then fence all around, but leave most of this vegetation. And I'm like, well, he said something about sun, it'll make it's shade, and then on top of it, the dust.
What shade? No shade?
Whatever.
Oh, from the Joshua trees. Okay. And the dust. Oh, okay. I see. Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, definitely the dust. And then as far as I'm concerned, these are protected, you know, this is a protection plant. So with these chaulas all around, you know, it's like whatever predatory animal might come, and whether it be a bobcat or a mountain lion, we are at the base of a mountain, whatever the case may be, they ain't just gonna brush past these.
Right.
They're gonna be very careful and diligent about how they cross certain parcels of land. So I could see leaving some of those chaulas. So these are Ziplocs.
Nope.
Oh, okay.
Ziploc is a brand.
Ah.
These are, they're not plastic. You're trying to get away from plastic as much as possible, but it's kind of hard living in an RV because everything moves around. So I only bought 2 glass plates and a bunch of glass cups I love for our tea and our coffee. But these, like I said, these are not plastic. They say avoid storing hot foods, but you can freezer, dishwash, hand wash, and you air dry them like this. So that way they open.
That might fly somewhere.
But yeah, you can use these as sandwich bags, gallon freezer bags. I have bigger ones in the house. These came in 3 sizes. This is the smallest one. There's another one about this tall, another one about this tall.
Good information. Good information. As a matter of fact, I got one full of cookies in the RV. As soon as I put this phone down, I will be getting at those. But I'm on duty right now. Wake, 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 wake. So my granddad used to say work. He said, I got to go to wake.
That's that old school.
I miss all my people. That was my papa.
Alright guys, this is how we do dishes off grid. I'll see y'all later. Thanks for watching my video.
Bye.
Make sure y'all hit the like button.
Bye.
Y'all take